Hi everyone, Adam Holder here from Nedlaw Living Walls. Welcome to another edition of Friday FAQ here at Nedlaw. So today's FAQ is, how can I save money by putting a biofilter in my building? Well, so remember last week when we had talked about buildings being hermetically sealed and not being able to open the windows? Well, you still have to bring fresh air in. And you have to do this quite a few times per hour. These are called air exchanges per hour. Most buildings are around 4 to 6 air changes per hour are required, some more, but never less than that. So this requires a fair bit of energy to do this. But using a biofilter, your fresh air is actually already there for you. It's already heated and cooled the temperature. So if you have to bring fresh air in from the outside, it has to be either heated or cooled the temperature, and depending on where you live, this can account for about 30% of your total energy costs for the building. So when you add a biofilter, we've calculated that the savings can be between about $30 to $50 per square foot of biofilter per year. And that can add up. I'd like to thank you for tuning in for another episode of Friday FAQ here at Nedlaw Living Walls. I'm Adam Holder, and have a good weekend.